Hello everyone, my name is Askilal Madamatrana. I'm Subject Software Engineering at Njibara University in Ethiopia, and I'm passionate with web development and education with technology. I have earned a certificate programming fundamental and artificial intelligence from Geocoder University, and I'm excited sharing this knowledge with you. This tutorial is the first step for emerging for the world of ICT designed to build fundamental skills needed for academic success and exciting further careers. I am also actively seeking to this my passionate journey, and I am grateful for opportunity. Providing platform like Mangali Academy to support within this journey. Students like incoming connecting learning with the real world careers. I'm believing education is life changing in the world. Do you remember? I am believing education is life changing in the world because at last time education is not familiar with the society. So people like living with like agriculture, producing activities, something like hunting, with focus from day-to-day activities, background activity. So begin to that last time, it's not education for the society. That means it's backwardness, an awareness of in the society. Nowadays, for the purpose of education, some application sectors like awareness to the people with education. There is something development like developing like some upgrade and some change to nowadays. Such like nowadays. Video calling using for one country to another country with via WhatsApp, via Telegram, and via Imo to communicate with audio call and video calls. From this is necessary to education for the society. Start with earliest time, Stone Age up to this nowadays. Zoom meeting and cloud computing, something like technology with for the purpose of education is life-changing activity by this case. Okay. What's ICT? ICT is all about tools, information we find and share, creating of information throughout the world. To the cause of, I will show you on the dashboard. What do you mean ICT? ICT information communication. Technology. Information is gathering for which need something like stories and other means in this methods to gather. That means information is data from different gathering where different things. And communication. Communication is how to share with one information to other information with text and secondary by within to PC with PC and to communicate secondary and technology. The rest of technology is simple to integrated information is integrated with tools that process wise. So SEO. ICT, information communication technology. You will to share information areas created with the help of technology with ICT. As all, in my personal view, ICT is the digital nervous system of the world, communication, connecting people with ideas across the globe, deal with like education, business, healthcare, and entertainment with otherwise with agriculture like crop harvesting and cropping, that is with the help of ICT to develop one country in the nation of the others. Generally, ICT is a vital role in our society. Beyond that, ICT touches everything in the world. That means interference with healthcare, education, and the banking system, entertainment, financial management, and smart distributed. So ICTs interfere with just like such above things. We have to need knowledge with ICT appear living with on the earth. So in addition to that, world human being does not live without ICT. It is easy to expression as a whole. Okay, what is computer? Computer electronic machine can be programmed to process data information and perform tasks. It works by following instructions by softwares. But not officially written, but traditional switch say computer stand by letter by letter. C means command, O means operating, M means machine, P means particular, U means used for to some machine or rather thing is integrated. T is technical, E education or research. For this combination is computer, but not registered officially, but is traditionalist. Is obviously now to communicate and with to help of remembering the next teaching with the learning students for this such way techniques. The core job of computer is to take inputs. Like computers has 3 parts, like inputs, process, and outputs. Input device like that of keyboard, mouse, microphone. Process unit. Process means central process unit is a brain. It is a brain of computer. Perform to calculation and carry out of instruction. Storage. The other one is output device. Output device is a tool which show you the results, monitoring, print, and the speakers. The rest one, storage. Storage where the data and the program is saved permanently for the future when to use necessary time. We have to put permanent storage device like hard drive, your PC like the look here about this something, SSD or temporary disk, RAM, and such like this storage. What is internet? Internet is a massive worldwide network. That means www.something postfix to add reason and the instruction of by the help of internet protocol system Internet is a worldwide network with connections beyond of computer and other electronic devices like phones and tablets, like personal computers, and it's so many electronics with nowadays smart homes. Every smart home is building with connected with internet. Any automatic teller machine with other related with as this massive. Think of high-wave cables where radio waves allow the device to take each other share information instantly. That means internet. Internet is a global communication system. Let us computer instantly across information, emails, with videos, and contacts people anywhere in the earth. That means the other one is network. Network is by the way, what is the difference between network and internet? Network and internet interchangeably uses but some differences and scopes. Internet, you can use public, you can use anywhere access from internet on the web browser like Google Engine, Chrome, Firefox, and such like. Network is a general concept to or more complex device connected with the other information resource, but network is maybe Wi-Fi, maybe Wi-Fi is private, does not universal or public. This is the main concept of internet and network. Classification of network, local area network and wide area network. Local area network means based on scales. That means based on capacity is covering a small area and large area. So local area network means LAN. Large area network means local LAN, local area networks, and wide area WE, wide area networks. So local area network, as example, university campus or another office within a certain boundary. Otherwise, local area network, country with country, connects broad wide. So how it works? Networks. Ongoing online computers send a request or broken this tiny piece of packet. Your local network server, special computer store, website server send request information back your computer. That means certain information sent to computer. The server is response to that ask computers. Okay. Like protocols, entire system work because all devices the same set of rules known as protocol, TCP and IP protocol. It is for the fundamental of networking course. More briefly, in this course, ensure this data sent or received correctly. This controlled by TCP and IP protocol. Stay closely keeping asking questions, never stopping for this incredible power of technology. Have potentials, digital tools, learn, create, make real difference in the world. Okay, so ICT is necessary for everything that matters. So, especially thanks Bengali Academy for this community empowerment study with knowledge and the golden opportunity. Have a nice day.